Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So somebody recently gave me her doll collection, and it's not something I typically collect myself as far as the type of dolls, but before I decide what I'm keeping, if I'm keeping things, this particular doll out of the group kind of popped out at me. It's a Treasure Collection Paradise Galleries doll. It's porcelain. I don't usually collect porcelain dolls, and she's a woodland fairy. So let's take a look. Alright, this is the box the Woodland Fairy came in. And my friend had kept her in the box pretty much the whole time she had her. Look into her eyes, the Woodland Fairy, Amber, by Patricia Rose. So this is a resin doll, or not resin, this is porcelain. I'll read this later. Maybe it'll have information that I will share with you. It has the year 1993 in it, so that I believe is when this doll came out. You can see she's in a box here. She's got her netting on. She's been in the box for quite a while. Let me see, how is this? Oh, there's some paperwork here for her. Alright, so she has wings, it looks like. I'm not sure where I see the wings at. I guess that's the difference between an elf and a fairy, huh? Because I think she has pointy ears. Where are your wings at, my dear? Oh, she's heavy. She is a heavy gal. Oh, she's got, looks like, not sure what that is, maybe holly? Let's see, are there any wings underneath this? No wings underneath it. She is one of a series, and my friend gave me the entire series, I believe. Oh, here are her wings. Okay, they're kind of squished. They're kind of squished. Alright. I was going to say, if she doesn't have wings, she could be an elf. I guess. Alright, so she's got bubble wrap on her hands and her feet. She already has a stand. That's kind of nice. Let me take the stand off of her. Like I said, I've never seen these dolls before. I typically do not get porcelain dolls. I don't really know why. I guess they don't always appeal to me, and I'm worried about breaking them, I gotta admit. So here's her little hang tag. I guess it tells you how to take care of her. Let's see if I can fix her little wings a little bit. In fact, I'm going to put something down here to protect her from this wood. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got a little white cushion here. So let's see, how movable? Is she jointed at all? No. So she's probably, see, that's the thing. I think she's just a display doll. I don't think she can sit. Yeah, she cannot sit. She can just, hopefully she can stay. Well, she obviously stands. She has a stand. Let me see. These are really pretty wings. I love the detail, but they've been squished, and I don't think they come off. No, they're stitched onto her outfit. Her body is stuffed. I don't know. Her body is stuffed, and then she's got arms connected and legs. Yeah, so I can feel the legs start right about here. But otherwise, her body is sort of like an American Girl doll. All right, let's take off her netting. Very carefully. And her hair. I think it's supposed to be, yeah, here's a picture of her. All right, so she does have long hair, so I can pull her hair down a little bit. Let's see. Her hair's not too bad. It's a little dry. Probably just need to comb it out a little bit. She has a very, very sweet sculpt. And it looks like inset eyes and eyelashes. They're not just painted on. Oh, okay, here's what I was wondering. So yes, so check out those ears. I really like that. Those are really cool. Those are neato. Her hair looks like it's a wig. It's not it is not rooted. No, it's a wig. It is a wig. All right. And I don't know, these wings, I mean, they're really pretty, but they seem kind of, let's see in the picture here. I mean, they're squished and they're permanently stuck on her shirt. So I can't take them off and like press them and stuff. And this is pretty delicate, you know, fabric. Like it doesn't have a lot of shape to it. Does not have a lot of shape. All right, so I'm going to comb her hair off camera, get her on her stand. We'll take some pictures. But yeah, there's no, her head, like nothing moves. The arms, no real movement. Like that's it. She can't lift her arms. That's it. You know, the legs, nothing really, that's it. That's how she stands. You can't change anything. And see, I see a little bit of her stuffing here. Wonder if I can fix that. That to me seems a little weird that they, you know, you can see her neck there, around her neck. You can see her body, her stuffing. So let me comb out her hair and I'll be right back. But I do really like, I like her face. Very pretty. Okay, let me be right back. All right, so I did comb her hair out. It's actually not too bad. Her hair is pretty decent. But the problem is, you know, these wings are just, they're in the way. They're in the way of her hair. And they flop. So, yeah. They're floppy wings. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But right now, honestly, I am thinking I might turn her into an elf. I might take off the wings and then she would just be an elf. Nothing wrong with that. And then that way her hair could be down and wouldn't be, because really it's too much stuff back here because she's actually got pretty thick hair. All right, now the outfit actually does come off. So if I wanted to sew for her, she's 14 inches, so I would bet she's probably sort of welly wisher size if I wanted to sew for her. So there's that. I could do that with her. I'm the type of doll collector where I don't have a lot of display only dolls. Though, of course, I don't have time to, you know, make stuff for every single doll I own. But I tend to like to do stuff with them. So that's, you know, I'm not the type to just take them out of a box typically and sit them on top of a shelf and then don't do anything with them. So this is kind of different for me. She is meant for display purposes, but this is problematic. This hair, those wings. Granted, she's been in that box for a really long time. I believe these dolls came out in the mid to early 1990s, this series. In fact, here's her certificate. There's no specific date on here. That letter said that the artist Patricia Rose had won an award for something in the 1993, some sort of doll award. And this is her number, and her number is actually on the back of her neck. So, I don't know if you can see that. She is individually numbered. So that's pretty cool. But they did make a lot of these dolls. So that's pretty nice that she's numbered, and I think she's really cute. I mean, what I like about her is her face. I really like her face and her ears. I think those are super neat. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Should I try to fix her wings and keep her a fairy? Should I get rid of the wings and turn her into an elf? Is there something you could suggest about, you know, making the hair work with the wings? In this picture they show, she's got some hair in front and some in back, and her head's like tilted, but you cannot, you can't move. There's no moving. There's really very, very, very limited movement. In fact, she comes with this little, I'm not sure what this thing is, staff thing, and you can't, like, move a camera here, you can't get her hand like to make it just fit in there. Just, you kind of have to just lean it up. So this picture I feel like is a bit deceiving. Even her legs look kind of different than you know, what they show here. You look at those legs, they make it look like she's actually kind of sideways a little. Yeah. I mean, I'm still really happy with her. I think she's super cute. I do plan to keep her for a little while and kind of get to know her before I decide if I'm going to let her go or not. And I have some other fairy dolls also in this series by Paradise Galleries, also by Patricia Rose, in fact, that I might be doing some unboxings of here pretty soon. And or maybe sell in my eBay shop. Not sure what I'm going to do with these gals. They're different. They're not my usual cup of tea, but I just couldn't resist that face. And of course I love fairies and elves and that, you know, woodland creatures and that kind of thing. So this was out of the dolls that I was given. She kind of popped up on my radar pretty quickly. Alright guys, you know the drill. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. And of course, I want to know what you think in the comments. Bye-bye.